What's going on, guys? In today's video, you're going to learn the easiest guide on how to fix your email deliverability, especially before Black Friday, that is literally 89 days away. Okay, so this is video 2 out of 89 videos that I committed myself to do. And if you're new to this channel, this is what we're all about. I'm here to share with you what worked, what didn't work, and what we're actively doing to scale email and SMS marketing funnels for DTC and e-commerce stores, all in the pursuit of finding top-tier talent, new opportunities, and increase my network. If you are looking to work your email and SMS marketing, subscribe to the channel as I release daily videos before Black Friday. So 89 videos. Like and leave any questions in the comment sections if you have any questions. So again, the easiest email deliverability guide that you'll ever find on the web, following this great deliverability table that I'll explain you all about. But first thing first, let's dive into the old school way of doing email marketing, okay? And why most brands that come to us actually don't even know about the deliverability score. And if they do know about the deliverability score, they are at a very critical deliverability score that currently prevents them from getting their emails inside of their primary inbox of their email subscribers. You want to get your email deliverability score as high as possible so you can get your emails inside of the people, your customers' primary inbox. So if you want these results for your store, I'm going to give you 2 resources that I already have ready for you in the description down below, step by step. You'll download our free guide, apply our checklist, and you'll be good to go. More about this at the end of this video. So again, jam-packed video. Let's get started. First thing first, I want to show you the old way of doing email marketing that still many e-commerce stores are doing in 2025. Number 1 is focusing on open rates. Open rates are superfluous. After the iOS 15, open rates don't mean nothing, okay? So if you're focused on your open rates being 60, 50%, that means nothing. What does mean is your click rate matters, and you want to aim for 1% or higher, okay? The ideal is above 2%, actually. The second thing is so many brands just focus on great design and copy, when the deliverability score mattered the most before anything else. Because even if Pablo Picasso made your email design, it doesn't matter if your deliverability is critical, okay? If your deliverability is under 50, 60%, your email design, even if Picasso designed it, doesn't mean anything. Lastly, making long emails that nobody cares about because they're too long. You're not respecting people's time. So that's what we want to do. We want to respect people's time and focus on direct to the point emails. Okay, 2 great examples. Look at Graza. Okay, this brand I'm literally obsessed with. Such a nice brand, such nice colors. 2 sections, super simple. Our olive oils are pick pressed and bottled right here. And yeah, essentially, this is what your email should look like. 2 tops, 3 sections. This is like a 2-section email, and maybe 3, as long as you kind of make emails that are to the point. Now, the second thing that I mentioned that I want to show you is actually the deliverability score. So your center reputation and deliverability score is kind of like a credit score for email marketing. High score means primary inbox, medium score, anywhere between like 50, 60, 70 promotions, and low, anything 50 and below, you go to spam. Simple, right? You don't even have to guess about it. So this number right here, you go to Klaviyo on your deliverability tab. If it's low right now, your emails are not going to be delivered before Black Friday, okay? And every inbox service provider like Gmail, Yahoo, AOL, they actually calculate your email sending score, your credit score, if you will, for your email marketing on a rolling 90 days. So if you fix your deliverability score right now, you'll get your emails inside of the primary inbox. Now, let's see how to do it. I have all the fixes step by step. You have 5 deliverability metrics. So let's take a look at them. Opens, clicks, bounce, unsubscribe, and spam. Open is anybody who opened your emails. Click is anybody who clicked your emails. Bounce rate is something technical when the email just bounces. There's soft bounce and hard bounce. Basically means that your emails wasn't deliverable. Unsubscribe, anybody who unsubscribed, and spam, anybody who marked your emails as spam. Now let's go through the fixes one by one. If your open rate is low, you want to check, first of all, on your deliverability infrastructure, meaning there's a few kind of abbreviation, SPF, DKIM, DMARC records, and you want to check those before anything else. In the checklist that I'm going to share with you, I'm going to share with you a quick resource that you can check this all by yourselves. Second thing, if your open rates are low, you want to check on subject lines. Maybe your subject lines are not, they're not good. They're generic. Like today's Labor Day, September 1st, and I'm getting Happy Labor Day from so many, stores. It's the most generic subject line ever. You want to make it a bit more, either curiosity driven or something interesting that stands out, especially with AI today, everything sounds so perfect and so generic. So stand out, make a quick, I don't know, typo or something, stand out, that's actually why your open rates could potentially be low. Then moving into click rates. So click rates are tied into either content, call to actions. Again, content not interesting. Maybe you're sending too many discounts that people are like, I'm not gonna click on another discount email. And maybe you're sending too broad and you should send to smaller segments. That's the first thing we do when we get a low click rate. Then high bounce rates. Bounce rates is literally inbox are not deliverable. So create a soft bound segment, which I have a video in my channel how to do, and just exclude them until it gets fixed. Unsubscribe and spam rates, too many emails and content irrelevant. So work on your content. All right. I'm going to make a video as part of my 89 videos before Black Friday to show you how to create cool content that resonates with your audience. All right. I'm going to make that video for you guys. Before that, if you do want to fix your deliverability step by step today, first of all, fix your deliverability or check on your deliverability infrastructure. There's a tool, literally a website. You go right here, you drop in your domain, and you can check on your domain score. If there's anything missing, you can just follow their very detailed step-by-step instructions. You just drop, your domain, Nike.com, scan, and it gives you like everything you need to do. All right. Then you want to get yourself a dedicated sending domain. And you also want to check my full deliverability masterclass, literally every single thing, why deliverability is important, all the 5 metrics, how to read them, what do you do if you have a low open rate, how to fix that, click rates, everything step by step with examples. So I'm going to leave you all those resources right here. Yesterday's video, I showed you Alex Ramosi Welcome Series, the 3X, the amount of revenue you get from the Welcome Series. So I'm going to actually make this single doc every single day, for you guys. Every single video would be right here. So make sure you get a copy and let me know if you want to see any other piece of content before Black Friday so you can crush it this holiday sale season. All right. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.